परवरी सुकूरचे फामाद पोदेराचे फेस्त 3 ऑक्टोबराक जातले। ह्या निमतान सुकूर इगर्जीन वेगवेगळ्यो कार्यावळी आयोजित केल्या। शेनवारा ह्या निमतान झाडांचे प्रदर्शन आशिल्ले अशी माहिती फादर सांताना कार्वालो हांणी दिल्या। अर्डेक्स गुवाहाटी परवरीच्यान सुशील शुक्ला।
That's why different stalls have already been put here. Different stalls, medicinal plants, decorative plants, fruit-bearing plants, flower plants, and so many things. If you see that, really you will be enjoying. Then besides that thing, so many self-help groups they are organizing different things. Even the food also is there. Food will be available in the evening, so from 5 to 10 o'clock. And tomorrow food will be available in the morning, whole day, and day after tomorrow also. So the food is all Goan's food will be prepared by them. So, and this we are just first year we are organizing all this thing. First day will be the exhibition of plants. Second day we are going to dedicate our day for the Mother Teresa, Saint Teresa of Calcutta, where we are having at 10 o'clock some items for the HIV children, orphans. We are having it from 10 to 2 o'clock. We are going to have this program for them in honor of Mother Teresa. Then we are going to project the pictures, movies for them. And evening we are going to have a special program in honor of Mother Teresa and plus Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi, with the fancy dress competition. Some people old people will dress as a Gandhi, and other old ladies and girls will dress as a Mother Teresa. And then we'll have a different type of cultural activities also, cultural games, cultural dances and other things, singing and all. Whatever things are there to help you, and we are going to help you in that way. So we are appreciating RDX also for giving us the chance to proclaim this thing for you all. And for you also, we welcome to these 3 days in our parish.